Okay. So now we are in substance paint. So let's bring that t-shirt model to the substance paint. So how to do that? So go to the file new. So it will open this windows and select. Uh, so that is an OBJ that you exported from Maya. So same thing you can bring. So open and here you can change to 2048. That is fine. That is the image size of the image. It will make more higher than system in it better configurations. So you check your system configuration according that you make. Then rest of things just leave like that and press OK. I think your model will be seen here. So there are this is actually your layout you can see, and this is your 3D model. So same like Maya, alt middle mouse button, right mouse, button, same interface like Maya, and this is your UV layout. Okay, so if you want to make single windows, then you have here you can make it F1, F2 like that, or only F3 if you type, then it will come only 3D windows. The or you can use like this. Okay, F3. Right. So you can see this F3. The only F2 is 3D. So like that. That's it. So right now we can see this is your layers. You can see the texture set settings. So first step, what you should do in texture set settings, you should go to the uh, bake mesh maps. So this is the must we should do. So it will make all the geometrical informations. You'll get the normal map. You'll get all these maps, occlusion map, curvature maps, the position map. All those things you'll get. So immediately you should go to this and the size same thing. You can put 2048 and what are the maps you need. You can mention here. If you don't need ID, you can just disable that. Other than you can see the all the options will be seen here. Ambient occlusion, if you want more better, then you can increase like that curvature map. If you want to increase the quality, position map, and thickness map. All those things. If you want to improve the quality, then you just otherwise leave as it is. Right. So what you should do? Bake selected texture. That's all. So it is baking. The first step, actually, you have to bring the model. Second step, you have to bake. So once it is done, then we have left side. You can see a lot of preset uh, options are there, so you can use directly, or you want to do it manually. Then you have a brush, and you can paint it. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so now, so you can come back to the layers. So this is the you should always name it. Okay, t-shirt or name it in Maya itself, the material name. So what are the material name? It is the same thing will be seen here. So right now you are ready for texture. So this is your uh, image name. The what are the maps will come? The t-shirt in occlusion or normal map or color map. Everything will go like this. So under the layer you have this empty layer. You can see. So we want to uh, create uh, you want to create on fill layer like that. You can add fill layers. Under the fill layer, what are the colors you'll feel it will be coming. So that's right now you can see the under the fill layer, and we have the bottom. You can see we have base colors and height, roughness, metal, everything is there. So if you want all the maps, then let it be everything on. Okay, so if height map don't need, then it will go. Roughness you don't need, everything you need it will just. If you want only color map, then it will be seen only this. So all the maps you need, let it be enable all those things, right? So base color, you can give whatever colors you are liking, and if you want to make a red or orange, whatever, or yellow, whatever make, you can choose. So this is the way you can choose the things. Okay, you want this color or blue, anything is fine. Okay, so then you don't want the specular, then you can play the roughness. So roughness is towards one, that is there is no specular and reflection, so it will give zero, it will be very reflective. So you can play this roughness, you can make it one, so it will look like a lambert. Okay, so that's all. Okay, next we'll have some cloth details, right? So for that, what you can do, we can take some preset cloth details. So here we'll have some cloth, a few fabrics, type fabric, FOBRIC. Then you can see many fabrics are there. We can take these patterns, right? So you can see all those things. So I want to use very minimum. So this is fine. So fabric, synthetic dots, so many are there. Just you try one by one which one you feel comfortable. So you can use as it is, right? So I'll take this, just drag and drop. Okay, so this will create another layer. So you can see this is your fabric, right? So those things again, I'm saying if open this, this will come as a folder group. Under that, we'll have all the options. So fabric base, this is actual fabric base, that is actually color of the things. If you don't need that color, you are using your own color, then you can disable this. And you have next one is actually this variation is that the next one will have details that you need the resize. So you can select this surface details, and you can check it up here, all the attributes you have, the scale you can play how much you need. So is it working? No. Yes, so you have to select this properly, you have to select this, or you have to select the circles, right? Maybe this is the things we have the properties, so you have to check which layer having the details. You can see the eye icon and select that, and you can go for the scale. So I need very small, then you can go for like this, right? So this is the 22 is fine. So this is my result, all right? So color variation like that, if you don't need, then you remove the color variation, only will have, or you like to have color variation, then you go for this. So same thing, we will have attributes if you select, and directional. Okay, so all those things options will be here. Same thing if you want to increase the scale, all those things it will be the same. And the gray scale, it is there. Or you want to change the balance, or all those things, you can just try. Okay, fine. So this is or I don't need. Okay, fine. Then you hide this, right? So this is there. The next I'm going to make this is bright contrast. Okay, fine. So I'll hold this text. I'll go for the another fill layer. I'll create for the stitching. Okay, so this is another fill layer. So be sure that where it is coming the fill layer, you make it another separate layer better. Okay, so select this layer and create again, so it is coming outside. Okay, so this is the fill layer, and give the color what stitching you are looking for. Means this is uh, here also you have to remove that fill layer. Okay, that is that color is coming. Okay, so you can delete this, no problem. You can delete it, by mistake it's created here. So so this is the blue color. I want to have stitching something like white. Okay, go for the white color. Okay, this will be stitching color. So how to apply the stitching? Then what you have to do, right click, you have to keep black mask. Okay, so now it is hidden. So that how you have to make reveal. So select this. mask one, right click, add generator. You should know this tools. Then it will one generator is created and click this generator, select this generator, click this generator. You have called auto stitch. So now see the magic. Okay, you see wherever you created the seam and it is created. You can see wherever we had seen. Now I feel this looks too big. So okay, we have the options. So this is a stitcher actually wherever we had the seam, that area stitchings are generated. So the path position you can play how it is coming as a seam and just click this and you keep trying. Stitch size you want to reduce? Yes, I want to reduce this. This looks very big and still and path position just check it out. Okay, this is fine and make it 0. How it is looking? No, I think this seam uh, you have to according to that you have to create. We should have only one seam. We had two seam, so you could have joined that. Okay, that's fine. No issues. Uh, this looks fine. So still you want to make more width is too much. You can reduce the width also. So it will be very dominating. You can make it very thin. So stitch length also I think can reduce path positions. No, you can make as much less. So it is under working on mask. So still you can reduce. So it will be very mild. Stitching will be there. That will be and that understanding. So this will be the uh, stitching, right? If you want to know it is not seen clearly, or you want to stitch color, you want to change, then again you have to go to here and the base color you can change. So what color you are looking for, that color will be seen. So you want to make yellow or you want to make green or anything is fine or you want pure white, that's fine. So this is the stitching layer. If you want to have, you can have, or you want to remove, you can remove. That's looks fine. So another one, any other things you want to apply on this? That is called height map. Okay, so in this we'll go for height. So height, what will do in this case, you can go for minus. So what will happen? That will go inside. Okay, so if you give plus, it will come embed. Okay, and you give minus plus that you decide how it is working. Understood? That way you can play. So that's why stitching is done. So you want to make some, so you can hide, just remove this fabric. We have some lot of mask you can generate also. So this mask, where is the mask layer? You can see, just go to this layer. You can see a lot of masks. So you can generate here. Click that, you can make one more fill layer, right? So you can make one more fill layer. Just click this and create one more fill layer. That is generate and give the colors what your color we are going to give. So I'll go for red or orange. Okay. Then right click, go for black mask. So this will be now masking. So you can take some brush here, mask any images. You can take some alphas and you design. So say this one, then you check it up, increase the brush size using the okay, fine, maybe it's good. So now see, I can make so picture. So like that back side, you want to make some text also, it is fine. So you can go for text. Okay, so I'll go for some text. So this text, I'll make anything, just I'll give here substance and just rename it possible. Okay, then I'll go for this. I'll just rename it here. I just you can rename. I'll go for. Uh, um, what time will give? Just to give mm, get stylized, stylized, stylized tone, stylized female, stylized tone. Okay, that. So, is it working? Yes. Wow. Yes. Now it is working. Now I see. So whatever name will give, it will come according to that. And for that, if you see this is not happening, so you can see it looks something like this. So for that, you have to increase the size. So the size is not enough. So you have to make or you have to make the brush size or this font size, anything is fine. So what I'll do, the size of the font you can make it, or position X you can improve. Okay, now check it out. No, so reduce, no, so this is fine. So go for the uh, reduce the size, so we can just go for yes. So this is fine, this is working. So, like that, you can, what are the text you like to make, you can make it, okay. And any design you want, particularly you want to make, and make it, or you want to border, you want to change this, something, you want to different color, you want to give. So what you can do, you can go to the brush, okay, and the here you can change the brush. Normal things. So how to make normal mask? You can make it. Go to the brush, and you can take the basic color and make it like this. Okay, fine. So reduce the brush size, and you can make different color here, just like that. So be correctly you do right. Or this is another way, you can paint on the 2D also. Okay, fine. So this is a 2D, 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 2D only. And here also you can directly can paint also. Fine. So this is another way we can make it. Okay. So it will be which one will be on the 3D or 2D, which one is better you feel, that you can make it. So all the borders if you want to give, you can give it no issues. So like that, you have to paint. Just I'm just doing like this very roughly. So it's very careful while doing. And your layout is not correct, then it's very tough. So like that, you can do your hand paint wherever you want. So strokes should be correct. Yes, done. So this side, same thing. I'll do. Yes, done. One attempt. Okay, fine. Then here, stroke should be very correct. Just I'm doing roughly. Here, right. Okay. So like that, if you want, this is done. Just look at here in 3D how it looks. So go to the 3D only. So this is the result you can see. Okay, fine. So like that, you have to give the texture in this part. So like that, you can give here also no issues. Just you will go like this. Yes. Okay, done. So be sure that you are doing correctly. Okay. So something is coming outer, then how will do that erase? So you have eraser option also is there. You can just erase it. Fine. This is another way. And take the sharp brush. Okay. So wherever you erase, then you can go for eraser. This is a paint brush. This is eraser brush. Same like Photoshop. Press F. You can see the finally you got the texture. So like the same thing, you can do the border of this side. So go for paint version. Okay, fine. So again, we can border it. Okay, if you need. Okay, again, I'm saying if you need. Same thing. If you want to do here also, you can do the border also. So that way you have to do your texture, do your hand print texture. Just I'm doing like that. You have to do it correctly. So for that, your mask is on. Okay. So it is just revealing your colors. Whatever colors you are giving, just it is revealing. So like that, you can go for here also. I want to give some. Okay. Just then, but you have to do proper stroke. You cannot do. You can do the UV also. It's fine. So try to do everything through hand paint because it is stylized. Okay. So this looks fine. So finally, after this, something here it is messed out. Something. Yes. Yeah. Anything messed out? Yes. Done. Okay. So this is the way you have to create the textures. Final. Once it is done, then what you can do, you have to export the textures. File export texture. So go to the drive where you want to save. So where what is going. So go to D drive. Where is D drive? Kunga. This is the folder. So now I can create one substance separate folder. Right. So this is the select folder. So it will go as a name as a t-shirt because we have given the